Hello, dear listener. Welcome to VoiceCraft English, where language feels like home. Today's episode is special. You'll learn 100 simple and natural daily routine English sentences. This will help you practice listening and speaking. We will go slowly. We will go gently. This is your time. Relax, breathe, and speak with me. Let's begin the journey. Morning routine sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. The morning light enters my room. I smile and thank the day. I stay in bed for a few moments. I listen to the sounds outside. I feel the softness of my blanket. I listen to my heartbeat. It reminds me that I'm alive. I get out of bed slowly. I put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. The water wakes me up. I brush my teeth slowly. I feel the freshness in my mouth. I look in the mirror. I say to myself, you are ready for today. I take a warm shower. I let the water fall on my back. I close my eyes and breathe. I use soap and shampoo. I feel fresh and clean. I dry myself with a towel. I put on my clothes for the day. I check my phone for messages. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I watch the steam rise. I prepare my breakfast. Today, it's toast and eggs. I sit down at the table. I eat slowly. I enjoy every bite. I read the news briefly. I look out the window. The sun feels warm on my face. I take my vitamins. I drink a glass of water. I open the window to let in fresh air. I listen to the birds singing. Their songs feel like nature's greeting. I feel calm and ready. I take a few deep breaths. I plan my day in my head. Work and study routine sentences. I check my schedule. I pack my bag. I take my notebook and laptop. I wear my shoes. I tie the laces tightly. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. The air is cool and quiet. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I listen to music on the bus. I look outside the window. The city is waking up. People are walking. Shops are opening. I feel calm. I feel ready. I arrive at the office. I greet my co-workers. I smile and nod. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I reply to a few messages. I start my tasks. I focus on my work. I take short breaks. I drink coffee or water. I look at the plants near the window. They remind me to stay grounded. I write notes in my notebook. I attend a meeting. I listen carefully. I ask questions when needed. I write down important points. I take lunch break at noon. I walk outside for fresh air. I sometimes call a friend. We talk for a few minutes. It makes me smile. I come back to my desk with a lighter heart. Lunch and afternoon routine. I go to the kitchen. I cook some rice and vegetables. I hear the oil sizzle. I smell the food cooking. It makes me feel warm. I sit with my family. We eat together. We talk about our day. I go to the kitchen. I cook some rice and vegetables. I hear the oil sizzle. I smell the food cooking. It makes me feel warm. I sit with my family. We eat together. We talk about our day. I laugh with my brother. I feel happy inside. After lunch, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. I wipe the counter. I take a short rest. I lie on the sofa. I close my eyes for 10 minutes. I breathe slowly. I let my thoughts drift. I read a book. The story takes me to another world. I check my phone again. I reply to messages. I smile at a funny text. I go back to work. I focus on my tasks. I light a candle on my desk. Its soft glow keeps me centered. I take a short walk outside. The air feels fresh. I hear the leaves rustling. I see people walking their dogs. I smile at a stranger. Sometimes we exchange a kind word. I stop at a small cafe. I buy a cup of tea. I sit quietly for a few minutes. I listen to soft music. I return home. Evening and night routine. The sun begins to go down. It paints the sky with orange and pink. It's evening now. I finish my work. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I take the bus home. I feel tired, but satisfied. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I drink a glass of water. I sit on the sofa. I relax. I stretch my legs. I listen to the evening silence. I make dinner. Tonight, I cook pasta. It smells delicious. I add herbs and cheese. I eat slowly. I talk to my family again. We laugh. I feel the warmth of home. Later, I take a shower. The water soothes me. I put on my pajamas. I brush my teeth again. I read a little. I feel sleepy. I write in my journal. I note down 3 good things from today. I lie down in bed. I think about the day. I feel thankful. I say, good night. And I close my eyes. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I just breathe in silence. The room is dark and peaceful. My body relaxes deeply. I drift slowly into dreams. I trust tomorrow will be kind. I let go of all worries. I welcome rest. Thank you for spending time with us today. You did wonderfully. Come back anytime, and remember, every sentence, every breath is one step closer to fluency. This was VoiceCraft English, your space to feel the language. Until next time, stay gentle with yourself. If you enjoyed this practice, share it with a friend. Leave a message or review. We'd love to hear how you feel. Until we meet again, keep practicing, keep dreaming, and speak with heart.